folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I have the Teba TKS15 wood cook stove next to me, and today this video is going to be unpacking the stove and just kind of showing what comes with it. This stove is pretty much fully assembled. It does come with a flue collar that needs to be installed into the top of the stove. Other than that, they do give you a wire tool for cleaning purposes, a simple hook handle to move your damper controls when it gets too hot, and then this little wrench if you need to undo any of your bolts. The TKS15 model does not actually come with a oven rack inside the oven, so just take note of that. The other model, the TKS19, does have the oven rack inside of it. Inside the firebox, you are going to have these steel log stoppers going all the way around the front of the unit. Those just simply need to be installed by sticking them into the slots. Beyond that, your ash pan is going to be located below the unit. And that is basically going to be your process for unpacking the Teba, the TKS15 model. Essentially, it is good to go. If you are doing the installation yourself or the installer, you essentially just need to slide it into place and make your chimney connection. Do make sure that you are following the proper clearances listed inside your manual, as well as chimney requirements for this stove. If you guys found this overview helpful, please don't forget, give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. God bless. Have a wonderful day.